Everyone is chasing that glass skin look, that dewy, hydrated finish that looks like you just drank a gallon of water. But most serums that give you that glow are $80 and full of silicones. We formulated a natural alternative that uses high-end botanicals like jasmine and geranium to give you that radiance naturally. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. This is the Joy Drop Serum. We designed this to be the lightweight hydrator in your routine. Unlike heavy creams, this penetrates deep into the skin to balance oil production, which means it works whether you're oily, dry, or somewhere in between. And you get to make it in this gorgeous Prism bottle inside this month's recipe box. The supplies are simple but powerful. You'll need the Prism serum bottle from your box. For the base, we are using almond oil. It's a non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Here's a tip. You can also swap this for our face serum base if you want that extra anti-aging benefits. And for the glow, our unicorn and geranium blend, this is a small batch recipe, and 1 teaspoon of almond oil directly to your serum bottle because we want it fresh. Now let's make it. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon of almond oil directly to your serum bottle. Next, the actives. 1 drop of unicorn blend, that's our jasmine citrus blend for brightness, and 1 drop of geranium to balance the skin tone. Cap it and swirl to mix. And that's it. High performance skincare does not have to be complicated. Now, a serum with real jasmine oil usually costs a fortune, but because we cut out the middleman with the recipe box, you get these luxurious ingredients for a fraction of the price. Plus, you get this reusable Prism bottle that looks amazing on your vanity. So where does this fit into your routine? And the best part, this month's box gives you the supplies and recipes to make an entire skincare system. Number 1, you cleanse with the velvet balm. Number 2, you treat with the clay mask. Number 3, you hydrate with this serum. And number 4, you lock it all in with the dream cream. I like to use 2 to 3 drops of this in the morning for a dewy look and layer the dream cream over it at night. If you want that natural glow without the grease, you have to try this. And when you do, share it with the hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. Grab the box in the link in the description to get the Prism bottle and all the oils. And tell me in the comments, do you like a matte finish or do you like a dewy finish? I'll see you in the next DIY.